Hey there, this is Michelle Pesco-Solido, and in this tutorial, I'm going to actually show you how to talk to a live person at the help desk of Facebook. I know that this is probably one of the most popular searches that I've seen because it's very frustrating when you need help. Maybe your Facebook ad account was shut down, maybe something's not working on your fan page, and you need to talk to support, and there is no phone number for you to call, and emailing them, typically it takes forever to get a response back. Even though they're getting better, it does take a while, but oftentimes we want our questions answered right away. So my first suggestion is make sure that you have a business manager account set up, right? So I'm not going to go into actually showing how to do that because I have resources for that and trainings for that already, but you're going to want to make sure that you've gone to business.facebook.com, which is not going to work for me here. Let me go to an incognito window for you so I can show you, but this is basically a business manager account. So if you have a Facebook fan page, then you want to make sure that you are running ads in a business manager account. So go to business.facebook.com, create a business manager account. I teach this in my Facebook course on how to actually set this up. But once you have that set up, you have access to talking to a live person on Facebook when you run into some problems. So where you're going to want to go for that is you're going to make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account, and then you want to go to facebook.com/business/resources. Then once you're there, you can scroll down to this little section here and you can see there is a chat option and you can talk to somebody live. So once you click on that, you'll fill out this information right here and you can start the chat, and a little chat box will open up and you'll be able to speak to a support representative, and believe it or not, they are very, very helpful in helping you get your questions answered and resolving any kind of issues that you might be having. I've pretty much had 100% success every time I have messaged the support team. So I hope this helps you out, in being able to talk to a live person on Facebook, and I wish you the best of luck. And to learn more about how to use a lot of these features on Facebook, make sure that you check out all my other videos and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.